Egden main coding sikna nikla, 404 brain not found. Hey everyone, have you ever tried to learn coding in just one day and felt like your brain hit a 404 error? Well, that's exactly what I, Amit, am diving into today. Join me as we tackle the wild world of coding with a dash of comedy and some real tips for you beginners out there. So, what's the goal? I'm going to attempt to learn the basics of coding in just one day, and trust me, it's going to be a roller coaster of confusion, laughs, and useful insights. Buckle up as we mix some giggles with learning because who said coding can't be fun? Let's get to it. All right, let's kick things off with my first attempt at coding. Picture this. I fire up a popular coding tutorial full of excitement, ready to conquer the coding world. But then bam, I see the word variable, and I'm staring blankly. What even is a variable? Is it like my variable enthusiasm level that changes throughout the day? Fast forward to my first Hello World attempt. I type away confidently, hit enter, and in true Amit fashion, I managed to create a string of errors instead of classic Hello World. It felt like trying to bake a cake, but ending up with a pile of flour, eggs, and complete chaos. And then I faced the IDE, Integrated Development Environment, versus the terminal. Can I just say, I felt like a contestant on a game show where the questions were in a foreign language. Do I click here or type there? Just when I thought I was getting the hang of it, I resorted to random clicking. Oh, and here's a joke for you. Why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attracts bugs. Now that we've had some laughs, let's talk about the real deal. What should every beginner know when starting their coding journey? First off, you need to pick a language. I suggest starting with something like Python or JavaScript. They're incredibly popular and beginner-friendly. Trust me, diving into these languages feels like using a comfy couch compared to sitting on a hard chair. Next, let's talk basics. You'll want to get familiar with core concepts like variables, loops, and functions. Think of variables like boxes where you can store information. Loops help you repeat actions, which can be super useful. As for functions, they're like magic spells that perform tasks for you. Easy peasy, right? And if you're thinking about project ideas, how about starting with a simple calculator or a to-do list? These mini projects are perfect for practicing and are fun to show off to friends. All right, moving on to tools of the trade. For coding, you'll need software like SOC VS Code or online compilers. VS Code is a fantastic option because it's user-friendly and has plenty of features to make your life easier. Plus, online compilers let you practice without needing to install anything. Next up, where to learn. YouTube is packed with amazing channels that teach coding for free. Trust me, you can find everything from quick tutorials to in-depth courses. Some popular channels even include fun coding challenges. Now, don't forget about practice platforms like LeetCode and HackerRank. These sites offer coding problems to solve, making it a great way to put your knowledge to the test and sharpen your skills. So here's the takeaway. Coding is not about the speed at which you learn. It's all about logic and patience. Remember, ek din main master nahi banoge, but ek din zarur start karna pata hai. Each coding session is a step in the right direction, so don't feel discouraged. So that's the end of my day of attempting to learn coding. It was wild, amusing, and surprisingly enlightening. Before you go, I'd love for you to comment below with the first error message you ever encountered in your coding adventures. Trust me, everyone has a funny story or two. And guess what? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll tackle the question, can I build an app with just 7 days of coding? It's going to be quite the challenge. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more entertaining and educational content filled with laughs, tips, and exciting coding adventures. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.